So guys, this video is for people who are trying to use a HDMI cable but are having problems with it. If you're using any other cable, this video is not for you. So if you're having problems with your HDMI cable, let's look at the back of our PS3. Make sure that you only have your power cable and your HDMI cable plugged in. That's it. You can also plug in your Ethernet cable. That is it, literally. Ethernet, HDMI and power cable. If you don't have an Ethernet cable, that's fine. But just make sure that you do not plug in these two other cables right here. Don't plug in those ones. Also, make sure that your cables are plugged in properly to your PS3 and to the back of your TV. Make sure your cables are plugged in properly to the back of your TV as well. So now, once all of our cables are hooked up, we're now going to turn on our PS3. So we're going to hold on the power button. It's going to beep once, then it's going to beep again. So you want to wait for 2 beeps. Let's turn this on. There's 1 beep. Wait for the second one. There's 2 beeps. Now let's wait. If you did everything correctly and you waited for the 2 beeps, you should now be getting a screen like this. An available HDMI was detected. You want to click on yes. We should now be seeing this screen in better quality. Can you read the screen? Select yes if you can. So now we're going to select yes. And your PS3 should now load up as normal. And this should now fix your problem.